Welcome back, WOJAK lovers. What's up? We're going to talk about WOJAK today again. Last time I talked about WOJAK was over a month ago in the 26th of October. All right. So a month and a half ago, actually almost 2 months. And since then, it went bananas. Look, I talked about it. And as you can see, the price was 1481. All right. As you can see, that was a while back ago. Now, let's take a look at the price action at the chart. And let's see what we can do heading forward. So this is the chart of WOJAK right now. Look at it, such a beauty, an act of beauty. And as I said, I talked about this on the 26th of October. As you can see, this dotted line, this was it, right? So if you bought once I told you about, right, you already made over almost 300%, 255% cents. I told you in a month and a half only. Now, what I said in the video is you should wait for kind of a VCP, a volatility contraction pattern, to make sure that you can enter perfectly. So a good entry, all right, was actually above these highs, all right? So blue entries are in blues. So if you got above these highs, all right, in this breakout day over here, you made maybe just a little bit, tiny little bit less, 150% cents, right? Now I said 10x, right? The last video I said 10x is no joke, and I still believe in it. I still think that 10x is no joke, even from these levels. I think WOJAK is the most underrated coin, underrated meme, right? There are a lot of memes that are kind of underrated. What WOJAK is underrated in the sense that it's not a buy and sell, right? A buy and dump. I forgot the scheme. Bump and dump. I forgot how it's called. A blackout in my mind right now. It's not a pump and dump, sorry. It's not a pump and dump. It's a pump, right? It's building. It's constructive, right? This has a future. Now, can it go down a little bit later in the future, you know, breaking down, you know, just like what crypto does every now and then, and build and only then continue? Yes, this can happen, but that doesn't matter. That does not matter the fact that WOJAK is underrated. Now, the beauty of this, and I want to go back, I want to show you coin market cap, something beautiful about WOJAK. By the way, if you have not done it yet, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, push that bell notification because you don't want to miss my videos. I tell you about trades in real time and I help you make money. And as well, leave a comment in the section below. Give me that for the algorithm. I want you to comment now about what do you think is going to be the high of WOJAK in the next bull run. Or if you don't like WOJAK, what is a coin you want to recommend me to look at? But look at this, boom, 5-1. When I talked about it, it was 1-4.82. Now it's 5-1.82, almost 5-2 actually. Now, the beauty of coin market cap, it shows you in market cap ranking, right? It's page 23, right? No one knows about WOJAK. It's so undervalued. However, in volume ranking, it's page 4, right? Yeah, page 4. So something's happening with WOJAK, right? Now, if we go to markets and take a look at the markets, we can see that we are still no data available. That's not true, all right? Something is odd right now in coin market cap. For some reason, no available markets. All right, yeah, we can see on the perpetuals, sorry, not the spot. On perpetuals, you can find it only on KuCoin, Mexi, and Gate.io right now. And the volumes are hysterically low, nothing, right? Overall, around 4 million, almost less than 4 million in volume daily, all right, for WOJAK. Imagine what will happen when volume will spike, all right? Volume will go up, bazookas, all right? We'll have maybe on Binance, we'll have maybe on Bybit, all right? And even on KuCoin and Mexi, it's just going to go balloonies, 10, 20 million dollars in volume, and not just this mere 1 million and something, all right, for each of these, you know, exchanges. So a big thing can happen, a big huge thing can happen actually for WOJAK. And you know what, in the next bull market, WOJAK just has the potential. It just has the potential. Look, again, as I told you, if you buy right now, all right, if you take a leap of faith and you buy right now, all right, over here in these levels, you might get crushed, right? Because I don't know when we're going to get a correction, but we're going to get a correction. That's how crypto works. And you can get a 50, 60, 70% correction, right? So, but in the long term, right, I really believe that we will see higher prices. That's my belief. Now, I don't say buy now, right? That's not what I'm saying. I am actually saying wait, right? If you bought when I told you to buy over here or over here, right, that was a good buy. But right now, not seeing anything that you should buy off. However, all right? If we by any chance build another base like what happened in the past, right, and then break out, what you will want to do, all right, is buy the last local high, right? Just what happened over here, right? Just like I told you from over here, this will happen. And if you can watch the video, I told you to search for it. And then if you bought this last high, you are at least 150% profitable right now. Then the same thing can happen again, right? The same thing can happen again. I think this might happen. However, yes, we can get a deeper correction actually that will manifest in a longer term move. Now, be smart about it. Just be smart, right? Just be smart. Either wait for the next setup, right? This is a setup, the next base to occur, or wait for the next correction to occur. And if you have long-term holdings, just hold them, right? If you're a long-term holder, hold it. If this was a trade for you, all right, if you just entered, right, over here, right, for a trade, all right, you should be almost out by now for a trade, at least 70% out for the trade. But if you're a long-term holder, that is up to you. That is your tactic. This is how we trade in our group. Now, if you liked already, and if you didn't like, if you didn't subscribe now, because I give alpha. Put that bell notification, because I am giving alpha almost daily. And you know what? Every now and then my alpha is worth 150% in a month. So put that bell notification and give me a comment. Help me with the comments. Show me your love by telling me how high do you think WOJAK can go. Really give me a prediction. If you don't like WOJAK, tell me a coin that you do like. Now, if you want more, right? If you want more out of this, if you want more out of me, hey, I recommend you to go to our group. I have a community, I have a trading service that you can go. You merely need to click on the link in the description. That's it. Click on the link in the description and it will take you to our page. And you will be able to see exactly what we offer, all right? This is our page. Become a member, choose a membership, all right? Alpha Trader, all right? For 2 hamburgers a month for Alpha Trader, you can come in the group. You can get daily updates, right? Private updates about the market, my thoughts about the market. Winning crypto watch list, right? What are we watching for the next trade, for the next long-term holding? How do we hold? The tactics we do, right? And of course, the cherry on top, all right, which is the main thing, all right? The fish I supply to you, right? I don't just teach you how to fish, I give you fish as well, are the signals, right? From the Alpha Trader, you already get signals, right? What you can get, for example, look, some signals, AVAX, we bought it around $24. It's at 40 right now, right? This is INJ. We bought it at the 17-ish and 19-ish. We added, all right? We doubled the position, and then now it's at $40 too, all right? You can see this is me, all right, from 29th of November. Look, I'm not just saying things. Look at CAS, for example. We made 3 times our money on CAS. 3rd of November, this was a 2-week trade, okay? 2-week trade, 150%, boom, all right? Boom. Guys, Solana, this is Solana or Rune, from $1.6 to $7, all right? Solana for $25 to $70. We make it again and again and again. So hey, I recommend you click on the link in the description or in the first comment. Come choose the Alpha Trader. If you want to go higher, choose another one. If you want to trade with me, want me to coach you, you can choose them, or you can just start with Alpha Trader. Whatever you want, I don't care, as long as you take accountability on your trading right now. And I will help you make money. I promise you. I have already many different examples of people that are working with me. Why? Because we don't gamble. We don't gamble. We trade correctly, right? We are winners over the long term. Over the long term, we don't gamble, all right? We make very intelligent bets, all right, on trades with correct setups, with our edge. That is how we tilt the edge in our direction, by the way. Not like in a gamble where the edge is against you. We tilt the edge to work for us. How do we do that? Go to Alpha Trader and learn. All right, everybody. Thanks. Cheers, and until next time, no edge, no trade.